Hey everybody, this is the Spreadshop Premium Design team. I'm here. I'm DJ Kaufman.
I'm Moose.
I'm Nathan.
And we make up the Premium Design team. That's
Here
what
it
we
is.
do. Yeah. We also have an awesome podcast called the Merchcast, Spreadshop Merchcast, that you can listen to. But this is what we look like.
We're the ones behind the scenes doing the designs.
I have a beard.
It gets you far.
So today we thought it'd be fun to pull some random, and they're completely random. We have not seen them, seriously. Pull two things out of a hat. Each one of us will make a design to show you the range or our way of thinking about creating a design.
So it's a couple nouns, like avocado and toast, and we put them together, avocado toast.
Yeah.
That's the first time we've ever heard that.
Delicious.
So, you made that up right now.
Yes.
Somebody said Bob Ross riding a dinosaur, and I kind of want to draw that. So I might just game it and do it anyways.
Happy little dinos.
Happy little dinos. Yeah.
Let's get started.
All right, cool. Let's do it. You go
Oh
first.
boy. Do I do one at a time?
Yeah,
what do
one
you
at
guys
a time.
think?
Really build up the drama
All
here.
right.
Anticipation.
Oh boy. Should I announce it? Oh, how fitting. Avocado.
I feel like now it feels like it's a setup. The next one's toast.
All right,
Do you
you
want
do
the
it.
next one?
Wait, do you do two?
I did one so
All right,
far.
all right. Thomas the Train.
Thomas the Train, okay. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I've got a llama corn.
A llama corn.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So I can do
Let's see
that.
what I can do in here.
Very appropriate.
We still have to mix it with something else, though. So
Regis Philbin. Oh boy.
All right. Vine. Thomas as the train and Vine.
And I got dinosaurs. So I got llama corn and dinosaurs.
That one's fun.
All right.
Wow.
You want to trade?
Yeah.
I would take.
All right,
No.
let's walk through them here. So
All
let's
right.
start breaking down Moose's here to see what can we come up with an avocado and Regis Philbin.
All right, so we got avocado. We all know what that looks like.
I believe so.
All right.
Yeah.
Traditionally, it's cut in half, and you can see the pit, right? In
Yeah.
green.
Okay.
And then you got Regis Philbin.
Who kind of maybe he looks like
He
that.
kind of looks like an avocado
So
already.
just
Put his face inside a
I'm
half.
thinking,
avocado?
maybe take the pit and adapt his face into it somehow.
Yeah.
So it's like his
You can put his hair
face
on top of the
with the
pit.
brown colors
Yeah.
and the hair, and then just the avocado body around it.
Boom.
Boom, done. Put on a shirt.
It makes no sense, but
Now-
Makes no sense.
that's
Can you
what
put him
someone
in
wanted.
some type of stereotype, like on a game show or something like that? Like,
I think you could maybe. Or does he have any catchphrases? You could.
He does. I just can't remember because it's been a while. But it's he's real boisterous. He's
Yeah.
great or something like that. That's you can
Is there
Google
any,
that.
could you-
YouTube.
yeah.
that. You'll
who
find
wants to be a
Regis
millionaire?
Who wants to be a
Philbin.
millionaire?
Oh, who wants to be an avocado millionaire?
Who wants to be an avocadoer?
Okay. All
We'll
right. So you
find
got some
something
good.
in there,
We'll play
right?
with it.
Right?
Yeah.
Something to go with
That's
there.
a good.
But I'm
good
thinking
start.
a bold graphic, center of the shirt, or
Yeah.
right on that merch.
I was thinking
Yeah.
actually having the avocado sitting there at the game table too, like
Ooh.
quizzing maybe another vegetable
Or to
fruit.
bring in Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, right? There's always A, B, C, D, and you have funny
Yeah.
answers to that little
Okay.
game show.
Yeah.
I like it. We got some ideas there.
Yeah.
All right. Let's
see
go
what
with
you
you.
got.
So yeah, we got Thomas as the
Oh, boy.
Thomas the train,
Yeah, the little toy.
Thomas the tank engine, right?
Yeah.
So and Vine, which I don't know.
Vine,
Is it just
the social app, or Vine
like
a
Vine?
Tarzan
But-
Vine?
Yeah.
Well, Vine the social app is dead. So
Yeah.
right.
So let's not do that.
So
Let it
Thomas,
dead.
no,
Vine.
too soon.
We could have a Tarzan type Thomas the train, kind of swinging through the
train
vines.
swinging through the
vines.
Or we could have grapevine.
Could be a
It could be a
grapevine.
grapevine. You could have Thomas the Train wine.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you got a bad
I
one.
mean, would
there,
that
I'm
be
sorry.
would that be Chardonnay? What flavor of wine would that be?
I don't know. I feel like you're leading me into this conversation.
Oh, the most premium wine.
Yes.
Premium wine. whatever
Wine
that
for
is.
children, because
Yes,
yeah,
wine for children.
That-
alcohol-free wine.
That would be
Yes.
fun to have
Grape
Thomas
juice.
actually have his own vineyard,
Mm.
and that's he's on his vineyard with a train
Just
going through.
tear us through the vineyard.
Collecting
Yeah.
grapes.
Collecting grapes. In his retired age, that's what he did. Was he
All
opened up a vineyard.
All right, we kind of have an idea there. I'm not sure
That's a
it's
tricky
good,
one.
but
So yeah, I don't know.
all right, let's see. What you
Well,
got.
mine's
Llama
pretty
corn.
easy. Llama corn and dinosaurs. So
You make a
I've
llama.
already drawn a llama corn in the past. I got.
So you're gonna
admit.
leg up already.
So I know what's up with that. And dinosaurs.
Are you going to combine them, or is it
Yeah,
going to
it's
be like
gotta
a
be.
battle?
So I think maybe llama-corn versus dinosaurs.
Yeah, like a battle, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I think
I would like
that'd
to see
be
them
good.
actually combined into like one creature,
So, like one dino
spliced.
Oh yeah.
llama-corn thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Add
all
some
right.
teeth or some
Okay,
weird feet.
some scales and
Yeah.
stuff. All right, yeah,
boy.
that's doable. I can do that. That'll be fun.
All right, this is
That'd
going to be a
make a red shirt.
challenge.
All
This is
right.
going to be a challenge.
Cool.
Cool.
Uh,